Sookie song.
Hello!
Hi. Hello.
Howdy, neighbor.
It's our rock stars. What's up, rock stars?
This guy.
This guy. Hey, talks. Oh my goodness, he talks. Wow. All right, we'll start hooking you guys up. You can head over that way for me.
Spectacular, superb word. That's your favorite word.
You want to take some slack off this for me? There we go. We'll just
Okay.
let you. We'll keep you right here. And keep you in the back. And you can be up front. How about that? The singer. The lead man.
Yeah.
You're going to get all the girls. Well, the drummer and the lead singer gets all the girls.
Do they?
Yeah. I think so.
I didn't like you because you were a drummer.
No?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. I don't get any girls now.
Yeah.
Honey.
Oh, right. Right.
Yeah.
I believe that.
No.
Good answer.
Honey.
Once you make that commitment, yeah.
There's a smart man.
Because she knows where the clippers are.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You'll be sleeping in that cave tonight.
I wouldn't do that to you.
Yeah, you would.
I wouldn't do that to you.
I don't believe you.
You guys ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
All right. Let's make some noise when I take off.